Art only becomes interesting when you no longer need to ask about intention. Museum of Modern Art, Arnhem, presents Tom Puckey and his world-famous underground fountain built between 1984 and 1989. Tom Puckey tries to create objects that only make the mystery of the image tangible. After all, things often have more than one meaning. The alchemists assumed this centuries ago. They tried to demonstrate how the cosmos is organized and connected to the cosmos in every person. Tom Puckey could identify with the idea that the inner and outer worlds are one and started working on his underground fountain in 1984.